In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Google Docs table. Merging cells is a simple way to create clean headers, group-related information, and make your tables easier to read. I'll walk you through exactly what to select and where to click, and I'll share a few practical notes so you feel confident doing this every time. Start by selecting the cells you want to merge. The key rule is that the cells must be adjacent. That means they need to touch each other either across a row, down a column, or as a continuous rectangular block. Click and drag your mouse across the cells, or click the first cell, hold Shift, and click the cell in the opposite corner of the area you want. If your selection skips any cells or isn't a rectangle, merging won't be available. Once your cells are selected, you have two easy ways to merge them. The quickest method is to right-click anywhere inside the selected area and choose Merge Cells from the menu that appears. Google Docs will immediately turn your selection into a single larger cell that spans the entire area you highlighted. If you prefer using the top menu, you can do the exact same thing from the toolbar. Go to Format, move your cursor to Table, and then click Merge Cells. Both options perform the same action, so use whichever feels more natural to you. A quick note about what happens to your content when you merge. Google Docs preserves whatever is in the top left cell of your selection and removes the contents of the other cells. If there's important text in those other cells, copy it somewhere else first so you don't lose it. If you accidentally merge and want to back up, you can undo right away and try again. If you find that Merge Cells is grayed out, it almost always means the selection isn't adjacent or doesn't form a proper rectangle. Reselect the cells by dragging carefully, making sure the highlight covers a continuous block without gaps. You can merge across multiple columns to create a wide header, or down multiple rows to create a tall label area. The selection process and the merge action are identical in both cases. After merging, your table stays flexible. You can keep editing text, adjusting column widths, and adding rows or columns as you normally would, and the merged cell will resize along with the table. That's all there is to it. Select adjacent cells, then merge with a right-click or through Format, Table, Merge Cells. With this, you can organize your tables neatly and guide readers' attention exactly where you want it.